Want to use your iPad as a second monitor for your MacBook Neo? With the Sidecar screen sharing option, it's perfect for students or professionals managing projects, giving you an extra display to keep everything in view. Let's see how to do it. Before you jump into Sidecar, there are a few quick checks that can save you a lot of frustration later. First, head over to Apple's official compatibility list and make sure your iPad actually supports Sidecar. Not every model does, so it's worth confirming. Next, make sure both your iPad and your Mac Neo are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is non-negotiable. If they're on different accounts, Sidecar simply won't show up. Now, check the basics. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and make sure they're connected to the same network. And while you're at it, update both devices to the latest Mac OS and iPad OS. A lot of connection issues come down to outdated software. One more quick thing on the iPad. Open Settings, go to General, then scroll down to AirPlay and Continuity. From there, make sure Handoff is turned on, along with the cursor and keyboard option. All set? Now, let's connect it. On your Mac Neo, click on Control Center in the top menu bar. Then select Screen Mirroring. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your iPad's name in the list. Click on it. Right after that, you'll get a couple of options. You can either mirror your Mac screen or use the iPad as an extended display. Pick what works for you. And just like that, your iPad will start acting as a second screen. If you want to fine-tune things, open the display options again. You can show or hide the sidebar, enable or disable the touch bar, depending on how you like to work. Now, if the positioning feels off, here's a quick fix. Go into Display Settings on your Mac. Scroll down and click Arrange. You'll see both screens there. Just drag the iPad to match its real-world position, left or right, and you're good to go. And then, from here, you can simply drag any window from your Mac to your iPad and start working across both screens seamlessly. And when you're done, disconnecting is just as easy. Click Screen Mirroring again on your Mac and select your iPad to disconnect. Or you can do it directly from the iPad by tapping Disconnect and then confirming your choice. That's it. Clean setup, no guesswork, and your second screen is ready whenever you need it.